your media inform to our senior officials, embassy, Prime Minister to bring back my son's dead body.
Okay.
And also I request to all these political leaders, kindly look into the matter and see that donation it's very bad, and all these intelligent students, they are going to study in abroad. They think that education here, if they plan to get that education here, they have to pay crores to get that seat. And the same education, better than this, they are getting very good education in abroad, and all this practical equipment also very standard. Here in India, only that caste-wise, they are allotting the seat. Because my son, he has got 97% in the PUC.
Okay, thank you, sir.